Understanding blue chip in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, blue chip. This term is commonly used but can be a bit confusing, especially for those learning English. So, let's dive in and understand what blue chip really means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The term blue chip has an interesting origin. It comes from poker, a popular card game. In poker, chips represent money, and the blue chips are usually the highest value chips. This concept of value and quality transferred over to other areas, particularly in the business and investment world. In the world of business and finance, a blue chip refers to companies that are well established, financially stable, and have a history of reliability. These are the big names that you often hear about in the news. They're known for their longevity, stable earnings, and regular dividends. Examples: this could include companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola. Let's see how to use blue chip in everyday English. It's important to note that this term is mainly used in business and financial contexts. 1. Describing companies. My brother prefers investing in blue chip companies because of their stability. 2. As an adjective, she made a blue chip investment, which is likely to be profitable in the long run. Interestingly, blue chip can also be used outside the business world, though less commonly. It describes anything that is of high quality or highly valued in any field. Example: in sports, that player is considered a blue chip prospect in the football world. So, there you have it, the meaning and use of blue chip in the English language. It's a term that carries connotations of quality, value, and reliability, mostly used in financial and business contexts. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use blue chip confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.